Let's make a perfect autumn salad. Organic spring mix. Handful of pecans, give it a chop. Add pecans. Cutie orange. Peel it. Add in your orange slices. Pomegranate. Spoonful of pumpkin seeds, pepitas, a little more pepitas, 2 spoonfuls of hemp, organic feta, give your feta a crumble, let's make dressing, pepper, salt, give it a shake, olive oil, red wine vinegar, vinegar of choice, some raw honey, give it a stir, glaze it on over, sparkle of sunshine in your day. So good. This I could eat every day. It's super fresh with the greens, it's juicy and flavorful, the burst of flavor in your mouth from the pomegranate and the orange. It's earthy and grounded with the pecans and the pepitas, the hemp, and the greens just make it feel so fresh. I love it.